see that there is a train and you have to start counting forward in tens and some numbers are written there. Yes. So what you have to do is you have to count forward in tens. Tens means like you can add 10 whatever to whatever number is given and you have to write the answer in the given space. Right. So you all can see here. First is some blue color box. In that blue color box, number is 106. Shri Shagvi, you are not at all paying attention. Later on, if I'll ask you a question and if you will not answer, then I'm going to talk to your parents. Okay, children, now listen. So in the first one, number is 106. Number is 106, and you have to count forward in tens. So what you all can do is you all can take out your 10 fingers and start counting after 106. Okay. Everyone, please show me your 10 fingers. Ansel Raj, Sri Shagvi, I can see you all show your 10 fingers. Sri Shagvi. Yeah. So children, start counting. First number is 106. So start counting after 106, children. Ansel Raj, open, show your fingers. Yeah. So start counting now after 106, 107, close one finger. 107, then 108, another finger. One by one, 108, one more finger. Then 109, then 110, then 111, one more finger, then 112, 113, 114, 115, and 116. Okay, so what should be the next number, children? 116. So you all can see it's 116 already written there. Fine. Now after 116, again you have to count 10 steps forward. So again take out your 10 fingers, children. Sri Shagvi and Ansel Raj. Both of you also please take out. Show your 10 fingers. Yes, Ayan. Start counting after 116. Take out your, show your 10 fingers. Ayan, unmute yourself. Ayan, unmute yourself first. I cannot hear anything.
126.
Very good. So children, what you have to do? Start counting after 116. Then 117, 108. Until that, start closing your fingers. 117, 118, then 119, 120, 121, then 122, 123, 124, 125, and 126. So see here, children, here in this space, you have to write 126. So here I am writing 126. You also write in your book, children, in this green box. Write here 126, children. Write 126 in your book. I have written here in this third box, green color. Write there 126. Now, in the fourth box, it's already done. This is for 136. So now after 136, you have to again count 10 steps forward. You all can take out your 10 fingers and start counting after 136. Yes, Tanvisri, tell me what should be the answer after 136. Huh? Very good. So children, if you will count 10 steps forward after 136, you will get 146. 146. So you will write here 146 in this red color box. 146. That's the correct answer. Ketan, tell me answer for next one. What we will write in this green box? After 146, take 10 steps forward. You have to count forward in 10.
156.
And how you will read that number 156?
One.
After 1?
156.
That's correct now. So this is 156 children. So 156 we will write here. Okay. Fine, that's correct. So next one is already done. That is 166. Siddharth, you tell me after 166, what will come? Count 10 forward. After 166. Count 10 forward. Show your 10 fingers, Siddharth. I can see you, Siddharth. Yeah, start counting after 166. What will come after 166? Just after 166. 8. Very good. Siddharth, I'm looking at you. Ashita, you tell.
Ma'am.
Ashita, you tell. What is the answer?
Ma'am.
Answer. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, answer 177.
No. Not 177.
1.
Wait. Wait, Ashita. Count again. Siddharth, will you tell me now? Now, what is the answer?
200.
Wrong. You have to count 10 forward, Siddharth. I said, show me your 10 fingers first. Yeah. Tell me after 166 what? Wrong. What comes just after 166, Siddharth?
Answer.
Very good.
156.
Okay, so you are asking answer to your mother, right? And that is wrong. Siddharth, wrong. That's wrong.
758.
100? 100 what? Yeah, count 10 forward and tell me what shall we write after 166. Count forward in tens. Show your 10 fingers. Show your 10, show your 10 fingers.
67.
Yes. Very good.
69.
Very good. Yes, yes.
170, 171,
Very good.
173, 174, 175.
170. Very good, 100. Children, you all have to do like 100 did. You have to take out your 10 fingers and then you have to do. This is what I am telling you. And Siddharth is not at all paying attention, huh? So you all will write here 176. So this is the answer. Okay. So now, Arohi, you tell me answer for next bit. That is bit B. Numbers are there 183, then 173, then it is 163. So we are counting backward, Arohi. Okay, wait. First I'll explain and then I'll come back to you, Arohi. So here, children, we are counting backward. They have told you that you have to count backward in tens. You have to count backward in tens. Backward means you have to go 10 steps backward. Okay. So what you can do is, counting backward is little difficult. So what we can do, we can just change the middle number. Okay, this is a trick. Counting backward is difficult, and that too 10 steps backward. So what we will do? So what we can do, children, see here, we can change the middle number only. We will change the middle number. Okay, we will only change the middle number. Fine. What we will do, whatever is the middle number, we will see what the middle number is, and we will write the number which comes just before that number. If we will see this number in third box, you all can see this green color box is there, and in that green color box, number is 163. Number is 163, and here the middle number is 3. Middle number is 6. So what we will do, we will just change this middle number, and we will write a number which comes just before this middle number, and middle number is 6. So we will write the number which comes just before 6. We will change only this middle number, children. So what we will do, we will write this 1 and 3 as it is. Okay, we will write this 1 and 3 as it is, and we will change only this number, middle number, that is 6. So what comes just before 6, children? Just before 6 comes 5. So we will write here 5, and this 3 will come as it is. Yes, Ashrita? Ashrita, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So children, again I'll repeat this. Whenever you have to count backward in tens, whenever you have to count backward in tens, this is a trick only when you have to count backward in tens, children. Okay. So whenever you have to count backward in tens, what you can do is just change the middle number. Okay. Whatever is the middle number, just write the number which comes just before that middle number. Yes, Veda? Veda? Yeah. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
You are not asking me question.
Veda, see, one by one I will ask everyone. Okay. This is not like a.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, one by one I can ask everyone. Yes, children. So now next number is 143. It's already written there. Now again we have to count backward in tens, and we have to see what should come before this 143 if we go 10 steps backward. Okay. Ayansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayansh, tell me what shall I write here? If we will go 10 steps backward, which number we will get from 143 if we will go back?
Ma'am, 133.
Very good, Ayansh. See here, children. Here, middle number is 4. And I told you that we will change only this middle number. And if you are changing this middle number 4, so we have to think of a number which comes just before this 4. So what comes just before 4? 3 comes. So we will write first and last number as it is, and we will change only the middle number. So this will be 133. Okay. Next one, 123. It's already written there. Sai Joshit, you tell me what comes. What will come here if we will go 10 steps backward from 123? You have to change only the middle number. Only the middle number we have to change. Tell me. Okay, Sai Joshi, tell me what is the middle number here?
2.
Tell me what comes just before 2.
1.
Yeah. So what we will do here, children, we will write this first number is 1 and second number is third. Third number is 3. We will write this 1 and 3 as it is. And we will change only the middle number. So middle number is 2, and what comes just before 2? 1 comes
1.
before 2. So number is 113. Number is 113, children. Okay. Now only green color boxes left, and now we have to think what we will write here. Fine. Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Brinda. Now tell me, what is the middle number here? In 113, what is the middle number? You have to go 10 steps backward from this 113.
30.
Huh?
113.
113.
This is already done, Brinda. I am asking you if you will go 10 steps backward from 113, what you will get?
103.
Very good. And how you will read 103? 103. Okay. So children, this is 103, and why we are writing here 103? See, one method is you can go 10 steps backward. Okay, but this is not easy for everyone. So what we are doing is we are changing the middle number only. Middle number here is 1. So what comes just before 1? 0 comes just before 1. So that's why in place of this 1, we have written 0 here. And first number and last number are same. Okay. Yes, I hope you all have completed your work till here, right? So I am clearing all this. I'm clearing all this, children, now. Okay. And now, yes, children. Now I want you all to open this next page. I'll tell you what is this page number. Children, open page number 17 of your math course book. Arohi, page number 17. 1717, children. Write date and classwork there. Week 2, group B, question number 1. And children, do one thing. Take one crayon in your hand. One crayon, any color. No. Do not take black color crayon, okay? Children, please take one crayons in your hand. Yes, children, I'm telling you all that please take one crayon in your hand. Janvi, am I audible to you, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, please take one crayon in your hand and write date and classwork.
बोला ना कुछ नहीं किया अब बता देना बता अभी बोल रहे बात
Yes, children, now what we have to do is, this is very easy. What you all have to do is, you have to start counting from this. Children, first listen to me. Do not take black color crayon, okay? You can take any other color. You have to start counting from this first box, and you have to color every 10th box. Okay? See here. If we will start counting from this 101, okay, start counting from here and you have to count 10 boxes. So I am moving my cursor here. You all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what you have to do, you have to color every 10th box. So here you will color this first one. That is 110. Okay. So you will color this one. So I am also coloring here. You all have to color it very neatly. So you have to color this box properly. Okay, first box. I am coloring here. Color this only. Okay. After this, children, again you have to count 10 boxes and you have to color the 10th box. Okay, again you have to count. From the next line, start counting now. Again, start counting, children. Yes, children, start counting. Again, you have to count, start counting, and you have to color the 10th box, children. I am moving my cursor here. So now again, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th box is 120. So color this box where 120 is written, children. Color this box. Color this one. Properly you all have to color. Okay, I am using cursor, that's why I'm unable to color it properly. So you will color this 120. Okay, now after this 120, children, again you have to count 10 box and you have to color the 10th one. So now Arohi will tell me. Arohi, now which box we will color? Arohi,
30.
very good, good girl. Yes, children, so we will color the box where 130 is written. So color that box. Again, you have to count and color that box. Color the box where 130 is written, children. Color this box. You have to color this one. Okay. Veda, tell me next which box? Veda. Veda, next which box?
Ma'am, where I went to washroom?
Okay, okay, fine. Ronald, you tell me next which box? Which number we will color?
140.
Very good, Ronald. So children, next we will color where 140 is written. So color that box also. Very good. Yes, children, do it fast. Arhan Mohammed, next which number we will color? After 140, count 10.
150.
Very good, children. Next we will color this box where 150 is written. You have to count 10 and then you have to color. So next we will color 150. Very good. Color this box properly, children. Brinda, next which number we will color? Brinda, next which number?
160.
Very good, 160. Children, you have to color every box properly, okay? So next is 160. Okay, very good. Next is 160. Okay. Janvi, after 160, which number we will color?
170.
Very good, Janvi. So next number, children, we will color 170. And remember that you have to count 10. Okay, and then you have to color the box or the number, you can say. T Suryansh, next which number? After 170, count 10 forward.
36.
Huh?
36.
Wrong. Look what I am sharing. You don't even know what I am doing, T Suryansh. Huh? T Suryansh, I am talking to you.
Matladu? Suryansh.
Not at all listening, T Suryansh. This is very bad. All other children, they are listening.
Hey.
Oh, no problem, ma'am. Don't force him. It's okay. No problem. That's okay. Sai Ritvik, you tell me after 170, which number?
118.
Not 18, 180. This is 180 and you read it as 180. So next we will color the number 180. Okay. Ananya, after 180, which number? We will color.
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. After 180, which number we will color?
190.
Very good. So children, after 180, we will color the number 190. We will color 190. Okay, and you have to color this box properly. Okay.
200.
Swarnika, after 190, which number we will color? Swarnika, count 10 steps forward. Yes, very good, Swarnika. Next, we will color 200. Okay. So, children, color the number 200 here. And you have to color this complete box. Okay. I am unable to color this complete box, but you people have to color it completely. Okay. Yeah. Now, this is correct. Now, what is our next step, children? What you have to do, whatever number you have colored here, you have to write all those numbers here. Downside. So after 110, which number we colored? 120. So we will write here 120. This you have to write with pencil, children. So write with your pencil. Here. Downside. Start writing 120. Then after 120, which number we have colored? 130. So write here 130, children. And this you have to write with pencil. Okay. 130. Yes, Ritvik.
Screen is not
Ritvik, you were
coming
raising.
black screen.
But other children, they are able to see Sai Ritvik. Please check your network. Tanvisri, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay. Ronald, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen? Okay. Sai Ritvik, please check your connection, okay? Other children, they can see what I'm sharing. Yes, children, so you have here, you have to write the number which you have colored. So after 130, which number you have colored? You have colored 140. So here you will write 140. After 140, which number? 150. You have to write this with pencil, children. After 150, which number? 160. After 160, which number? 170. What we are doing? We are writing here only the numbers which we have colored. So then 170. After that, 180. Then after 180, we have colored 190. 190, and last one is 200. So here I am writing 200. Okay. Write these in your notebook, in your course book, children. And yes, listen to me. Your next period, I will take, Kalpana madam is not there. So I'll be taking your class. So I will take 2 to 3 minutes to create that class. Okay. Children, listen to me again. I'm repeating. I will take your next class. Third period I will take. So I will take 2 to 3 minutes to create that class. Okay. And again, I'm repeating this thing that you have to share your classwork and homework with me, and please try to share your classwork and homework by 6 p.m. in the evening. Do not share after 6 p.m. because it takes time. I have to do correction, so it takes time. So please try to share before 6 p.m. children. Share your classwork and homework before 6 p.m. Okay. So this class is about to end. Fine. So I'll create new class and I'll take 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, Arhan Mohammed. Yeah, Arhan.
Ask your question.
I will take your